Hello my dear friends, it's Foxy, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be showing you my night skincare routine for today, and if you're interested, let's get into it. First of all, if you know me, you know I absolutely love to use beauty devices, and I don't know, I just really love to pamper my skin with this extra care, and I truly believe in power of those devices. So now I want to briefly introduce you to the sponsor of this video. This is 5-in-1 LED Therapy Facial Mask from the brand Amiro. And let me share with you some of the features and benefits of this mask. The device came with this little instruction, so if you don't know how to use it, you can scan the QR code here. And on the back of this paper, you can find all the explanations for each mode this mask has. Many masks like this on the market only have red light therapy. And this one, it has infrared, red, yellow, blue, and green lights. And as you can see on this paper, you can pick from those 3 powerful modes, which are Purify mode, Glow mode, and Firm mode. Purify mode uses blue, red, green, yellow, and infrared. Glow mode uses red and infrared light, and Firm mode uses yellow, red, and infrared light. Purify mode is the one for those who need oil control and soothing, acne treatment, and calming inflammation. Glow mode is for you if your goal is to boost metabolism, enhance blood circulation, promote protein regeneration, and reduce pigmentation. And finally, the Firm mode, is for you if you want to boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, and tighten the skin. This mask has 173 LED beads with high energy, 3D reflective mirror surface, and Fresnel light diffusion mirror, which means more even and better results. This mask can be used from 3 to 5 days a week, and I personally recommend you to start from 3 days, and then if you don't feel any discomfort, add more days. If you get used to this mask and don't feel any discomfort, you can even use it daily. Each mode lasts for 5 minutes and they can be used in combination as well. But just don't go over maximum daily usage time, which is 30 minutes. I really love that it doesn't need to be plugged into the wall, which gives you an absolute freedom with the movements. It has remote control and special glasses here that protect your eyes and you can see through them. You can actually see through them and do your regular stuff. So you can just put it on and live your life as usual. Your regular morning routine, and it won't even bother you. Battery lasts for 7 uses, which is in my opinion really good result. The glasses here, by the way, they're super comfortable because they're really so soft and they prevent light leakage. They don't let the mask directly touch your skin because here's some gap between the glasses and the mask. Honestly, one of the main reasons why I wasn't even thinking about getting the mask like this was the price. Because usually mask like this, it's somewhere in between $400, $500, $600. But this one is just $250, and it can be even less because Amiro, they were so kind to give me and my followers the discount code for $70. So you, my ladies and gentlemen, can get it for only $180. They have 90 days money back guarantee, so basically you can try it out for 90 days for 3 whole months. And if you will not like it, you can return it. If you will like it, you can keep it. So it's absolutely risk-free. Maximize your results with this mask using their serum. This one is a Collagen HydraGlow Anti-Wrinkle Firming Serum, which contains collagen, arginine, lysine polypeptide, and sodium hyaluronate, which we will be using today as well. One of the main features of this serum is it contains 9 types of collagen and lysine polypeptide. I will link everything in the caption below, and you feel free to use my code to save some money. Thank you again, Amiro, for sponsoring this video, and let's move to the skincare. First product for today is going to be Green Tea Fresh Toner from the brand Isntree. I pour it on my hand and gently moisturizing. Never forget about your neck, about your décolleté, about the shoulders. Basically, take care of your body like it's your face. If you take care of your face, why not body? Your body deserves love too. Next product is going to be this Amiro Collagen HydraGlow Serum that I was talking about before. I'm squeezing a little bit. As you can tell, I prefer to touch my face with a product. I mean, I do rub some products somewhere when it's needed, but usually In the most cases, I don't, because the gentler, the better. At least for me, for my skin. Next product is going to be Anoa Niacinamide 10% and tranexamic acid 4% dark spot correcting serum. It's not just a beautiful pink bottle. This is a really nice product if you want to get rid of some pigmentation, if you want to get more even skin. But I've heard some reviews that it's not acne safe. I'm not acne prone, but if you are, I think you should be careful with it. Next product is Lala Retro Whipped Cream from the brand Drunk Elephant, and I really love to use this cream in winter because it's super hydrating. Sometimes I even apply it in a thick layer for the night, like a sleeping mask. For my eyebrows and eyelashes, I'm gonna be using Catrice Night Repair Lash and Brow Mask. I'm a bit sad to show you this one because Catrice discontinued this magical product. Really love it for my eyebrows and especially for my lashes because it doesn't make them grow faster or longer, but it really protects your hairs at night when you sleep. I would suggest you to get this one, but they discontinued it and I'm trying to find some similar products, so if you know some, let me know in the comments. To hydrate my lips while I'm sleeping, I'm gonna be using Nuxe Revadumil Honey Lip Balm. This is one of the best lip masks I've ever tried, and it feels like honey, like sugared honey on the lips. I'm pretty sure I already showed you this one in my previous videos. Yeah, I love this one. And as a finishing touch, which will explain why this skincare is super hydrating, is Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. This is magic in a tube, and I really mean it. I love to apply it on my face like this, just in a thin layer. Mostly I apply it on my cheeks and on the forehead, so I don't touch the nose usually. Sometimes I do, but usually I don't. This mask usually takes like 10 minutes to dry, and then I can go to sleep. This is such an amazing mask. This is really my holy grail. I will repurchase it and repurchase it like as long as it's on the market, as long as they don't discontinue it. I will repurchase it because this is truly a wonderful product. It locks in all of the moisture, it locks in all of the products, and they penetrate your skin better. And your skin, believe me, in the morning, it will thank you. It will feel amazing, it will feel super healthy, soft, like you have a brand new skin. So yeah, this is basically it. This is my skincare for today, for tonight. Thank you, my dear friends, for watching this video. I really hope you liked it, and you, as always, have a wonderful day and take care of yourself. See you later. With love, your Foxy. Bye bye.